Hey, it's Chris here, and today we're very excited to announce we just got in the RIO MDC Scandi kits. These are building off of the older Scandi Versatips that RIO has had out for many years. These have long been a favorite of ours in the shop here as really a do-it-all steelhead and salmon fishing line. They are so versatile, just one of our favorites. So the MDC builds off of that a little bit. In this kit, you're going to get basically a full setup minus backing. So you've got a running line included. This is a RIO Slick Shooter monofilament running line. You have the Scandi body head, and then a selection of different sink rates of tips as well. So it's a full kit. You just add it on top if you're backing and you're ready to go. What makes this different versus previous iterations? You've got the running line now. You've got the newest, latest, greatest coatings in their Elite series of fly lines, so a little more durability, a little more slickness, and then the tips are now made of a graduated density design, which is going to give you better, smoother turnover and better density or sink control as well. So the whole theory about these kits is really consistency. So no matter what tip that you fish, you're going to get a very consistent casting feel, both in terms of the length of the setup and the overall weight of it. So if you look at the taper of these lines, what you're going to notice is basically what they've done is they've taken a standard length Scandi head and they've cut it back a bit. So it's a little shorter than your average head to start with, but then that taper is then completed with the addition of the included tips. And so you get what is basically a full Scandi taper, but you're not adding a tip onto the end. What happens usually with a normal Scandi line is that you would start with this beautifully tapered head system, and then you add a poly leader or some other kind of aftermarket tip on the end of that. And the addition of that tip starts to throw off the overall weight of the thing, and obviously it changes the length, and so you're making adjustments in your casting. Whereas with this one, because the tip is sort of built into the thing, you have a consistent taper, everything feels really smooth, and you're going to have a very consistent weight too. What people don't realize often is that something like a poly leader actually weighs a different grain weight if you use, say, a type 3 versus a type 6. So different sink rates, even within the same length, often weigh different amounts. Whereas with these tips, you're going to have the exact same weight right through and the same length. So your anchor placement is very consistent, and the feel and the weighting of it is very consistent too. So really nice there. These have an aggressive enough taper that they can carry out your average steelhead fly with ease. So you're not casting huge dumbbell-eyed things, but something like a hobo spay or even a lightly weighted fly is really no issue for these to turn over, but you still get really great presentation if you're fishing slower runs and with smaller flies and you want that Scandi feel to it. These are really a great do-it-all kind of line. They come in a short and a long length, so I would say the short length is best for rods sort of 13 feet and under, and then the long for longer rods, and that's just to sort of give you the most ideal, again, kind of D-loop size and anchor placement with those rods there. Come in a range of weights, so just buy the weight that best fits your line. You can see the grain weights and the line weights on these to help you dial that in. As always, if you need any help figuring out which one's going to be most appropriate for your rod and your casting technique, get in touch with us. We've fished these for a long time. We're quite familiar with them and can make sure that you're dialed in to get the most out of your setup. So give us a shout. Check these out online or in shop now. We'll see you on the water.